Hey there, it's nighttime here at Minefield in Brownsville, Tennessee. This is Tennessee's largest metal sculpture. This is the Insta360 SMO 4K naked GoPro type camera. Let's see what it can do at night. Even though this is under the weight requirement to register with the FAA, I'm still going to comply by putting a Lume Cube strobe on here for visibility. All right, this is the video from the SMO 4K, and this is the audio from the SMO 4K. It's actually not that bad at all. I've got the goggles going. It looks pretty good. This is what I will be seeing. So the light is okay for an analog system. Incidentally, I do hold a daytime waiver. That's 14 CFR Part 107.29. I'll put a link in the description to where you can apply for one as well. Of course, with all the upcoming rules of Part 89 and remote ID, it could become easier to fly at night. The 95X is a great platform. And this little SMO camera doesn't add a lot of weight. Using the battery to power it does cut down a little bit on flight time. But, so how's it look? Does it look good? I'll come around the other side, see if I can get a shot of the setting sun. Again, I'm not going to get too fancy or go through it or anything because I'm not that, well, all right, I'll go through this part. Oh, see, now that little wire, I was able to see with the analog, but you probably saw it a lot better with the 4K imagery. There should be a little bird on top of this crane. Yup, there he is. Woo! All right. Okay. See, it handles okay. I'm getting a little brave here. Do I go in the window? No, I'm not going to go in the window. But I'll show you a video of somebody going in the window. Woo! During our meet for my birthday. And that's all I dare do. Oop, oh dear. Well, that's it then. Well, there you are. The landing was a little awkward, but let's see how the camera fared. Is it still on? Is it still on? Did I break it? No, you're still going. And I'm able to find the Lume Cube that fell off. I didn't have it on there that well anyway. Here's a clip of what this looks like in the daytime. This is a hearty little camera. I had a crash out at Minefield and it dinged the, I don't know if you can see it. It dinged, this is a little well, anyway, it fell on the ground. It's still fine. That's how well built this stuff is. This is a little covered bridge that is in the area in which we fly FPV. This is our spot.
Yep.
The idea is to take the Insta360 SMO 4K and send it through the bridge, but not the big part.
Oh no, that's too easy.
Yeah, no, we're thinking about going through that little part up there. And hopefully we don't lose the quad or the camera. See how this goes. I'm just going to go through the bridge in the big part once. Okay, that went well. Okay. Oh man, this is ill-advised. There's no wind. But what do they say? Send it, right? I am not skilled enough for this. I am not skilled enough for this. Oh, nope. That was a fail. I just hope I didn't hit the Insta. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay.
Did you land?
It's on the bridge. I got through like 3 of them.
Okay, I see it.
Does this have turtle?
No.
I gotta walk all the way over there. Okay, take 2 with a more skilled pilot. That's that guy. Oh!
Something just doesn't feel right.
Okay, we're back. That crash pulled the wire out of the camera, but it is perfectly fine. Ready for try number 2?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh no! He's stuck up there. He's up there. He's on a beam. You are not going to believe this. A 1 in a gazillion chance. I think it's become a permanent part of the bridge. How are we going to get that?
We'll get it.
How you going to knock it with your?
Yeah, I'm gonna nudge it.
Oh. All right. I'm going to try to film it for you and catch it for me. Oh, so close. Wait. Oh, I tried to catch yours. I think I broke its fall a little bit.
I'm gonna go ahead and step out so I don't break my head.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Oh! I almost lost. I didn't catch either one of them. Yours is okay. Are you okay?
There you go, man.
The camera came off.
Good quad.
I hope it saved the file. Good job, man. Good job.
Just one thing left to do.
What's that? No.
Hit that top.
Okay.
If I can do it once, I can do it again. Knock on invisible.
Nobody's going to believe you did it the first time unless you do it again.
That's right. Oh my God!
What?
I made it!
You went through?
I made it!
No way!
I made it!
Oh, so you made it through with this big one?
I better be recording. I'm gonna be pissed. Oh shit.
You weren't recording?
No.
No!
Okay, so let me.
Oh no! I wasn't even watching. Nobody will believe it. Good luck, sir. I got it. I got it.
Whoa!
I caught it.
Wow!
You're welcome. It's fine. You want to try again?
Yeah.
I couldn't get to it that time.
Come on, dude. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this.
This may be a challenge left for another day.
Third time's a charm, or 3 strikes are out.
Okay. Yeah! You did it, man! It was kind of sloppy, but you did it. Up, up, well, up. It's in the water. It's in the water. I thought you were done, man. I thought you were coming back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is it okay?
We'll find out.
Do you put conformal coat on it?
Not yet.
When I came over and I was saying you did it, you were trying the third time, weren't you?
Yeah, I was gonna try to come back over, but almost had it.
And what lesson did we learn today?
This water's cold.
And to stop while you're ahead.
I'm gonna settle.
So it's recording, but it's got a little chip in the lens.
Messed it up.
Even with the UV protector on it, it took a hard hit. When those two came down, I couldn't decide which one to catch. That's it for now, the SMO 4K from Insta360 and Beta FPV. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I really do appreciate your support. Remember, links to everything, including Lume Cube strobes, in the description. Delicious. Tutti frutti.